Still not used to that centered Start menu in Windows 11? You're not alone, and the good news is, Microsoft actually lets you move it right back to the classic left corner position in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. First, right-click on the Start button in your taskbar, and select Settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Personalization. Now scroll down until you see the Taskbar section, and click on it. Keep scrolling down until you find Taskbar Behaviors. Click to expand that section. Inside here, you'll see an option called Taskbar Alignment. By default, it's set to center. That's what's been pinning your Start menu and icons to the middle of the screen. Just click the drop-down and switch it to left. And just like that, watch the Start menu and taskbar icons snap right back to the left corner, exactly like older versions of Windows. That's it, one simple setting, and your taskbar feels like home again. If this helped, drop a like, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips like this. See you in the next one.